Do you get anger or frustration easily? Do you get emotional, feel worry or sad about the things that happened in the past? Do you miss to live in the present moment? Do you get lots of thoughts within your mind that it makes you hard to sleep after hitting your bed? Do you think it's normal human behavior? Relax and watch this video fully to know why it's happening to you. This is Ranjani from Aathmik Yoga. I hope you are here after practicing the relaxation asanas of day 10 of our 21-day free yoga online workshop Transform 2023. If you are a beginner here, do check out our previous videos by clicking the link in the description box below. Let's get started on our day 11. Rest in peace. Resting in peace should not necessarily be after death. We can rest in peace while we live. Let's begin with the term detox. We have heard this term on our day 1 video of our 21-day yoga workshop. What is detox? Removing the toxins or waste materials from our body. These toxins are ama when accumulated in our system leads to physical ailments or diseases in the body. In yoga, while we perform the kriyas to detox these toxins, we let them out in the form of vomit, urine, tears or poo. Similar way, if our mind is full of garbage emotions like envy, anger, jealous, hate, low self-esteem, self-doubt, it comes out as stress or depression if not handled correctly at the right moment. Detoxing, kriya or removal of these negative emotions feels gross. I have heard this one common advice or misguidance from many people. If one person is suffering, be it a breakup, loss of money, grief or failure or any suffering, then they say them to keep them diverted. Keep them occupied with something else which makes them to forget or avoid thinking about these thoughts. So what happens to these painful thoughts when distracted? Are these thoughts going to vanish from your mind? Our body can store emotions and feelings. So do not divert your mind. Analyze your emotions. Analyze each and every emotion that is popping up in your mind. This way you are detoxing your mind at the right moment rather than collecting these garbage emotions in your mind for years. As in your physical body, when you detox your mind, it pours out all the negative emotions which are buried deeply within you. This will make it harder to handle. But with proper support and guidance, you will be able to detox your mind and able to heal your body and mind. If you're watching till now, you are seeking a solution for your problem. So what is the solution for this? The answer is rest. You may say, I'm taking proper rest, but I can prove you wrong. So what do you do in your free time or what do you do when you rest? People will scroll through their Instagram or Facebook, read a book, listen to music, chat with a friend or watch a movie. You think these are proper methods to rest? No. You are resting your body by lying on your bed or lying on your couch. But you are not giving rest to your mind, which is needed to process and analyze these thoughts. Movie with traumatic events or violence can register in your mind as if it happened to you. Watching scary movies, reading sad stories, listening to sad music can create negative emotions, those garbages within our mind. Once in a while is okay, but involving frequently in horror movies, negative movies or gossiping can affect your mind and body. So stop dumping various thoughts within your mind from various modes. Give rest for your mind to relax, process and analyze those thoughts so that unwanted thoughts can be detoxed from your mind. On our day 11 activity, I'll be giving the solution for you to detox your mind on an everyday basis. Every 1 hour or 2 hours, just rest your body and mind for 1 minute. Spend 1 minute to detox your mind. Don't do anything in this 1 minute. Keep away all your distractions. You can close your eye, look whatever thoughts that are coming in your mind. You don't have to do anything, just look at the thoughts, and after 1 minute you can move on with your work. Do this continuously till the end of this day. You will be sleeping nicely if you are practicing this for every 1 hour. Do not get scared about the waterfall of thoughts that are popping within your mind. Remember, they are detoxed. They are processed, analyzed and detoxed from your mind. All it takes is 1 minute for 1 hour to save you from stress and depression. This is the learning for our day 11. Once you are done with this activity, do let me know in the comment section below. There is a belief that everyone have a child within us which carries excessive emotional baggages from the childhood. It is important to heal our inner child to heal our present life. Do spend quality time with yourself so that you can heal your inner child and start loving them. Day 10 was to rest your body. Day 11 was to rest your mind. Do take proper rest for both your physical body and your emotional body to stay healthy. I hope this helps. Do subscribe to our Aathmik Yoga channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever we post the next video on our Transform 2023 series. Do follow us in our Instagram and Facebook pages by clicking the link in the description box below. You can also join with us in our WhatsApp community where you can discuss about your health, fitness and diet related queries with me directly. Do share this video with your friends and family who are struggling hard with their emotional baggages in their mind to show them that you care for them. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Nandri Vanakkam.